Hi, so today I'm going to go over the MES Mini 7, this green synth I've got in front of me. I'm going to show you some patches. And so yeah, the synth is dual engine. It has an FM engine, which is very similar to the Yamaha DX7. In fact, you can load DX7 patches by drag and drop. If you just drop them in this area here, they'll appear here. So, and it's also 7 saw, so it's got 7 sawtooth waves as well. So it's dual engine, and basically the FM side absolutely excels at making basses, bells, brass sounds, and also electric pianos. So I'm going to go through some patches with you. I'll just start off with a few basses. So yeah, very punchy, crisp bass sounds. I think there's 40 of them included, so 40 bass patches. So yeah, they were the bases, and I think you'll never need another synth. Actually, they're very, very good. So yeah, bells. So bell A. And then brasses. It's amazing at brass sounds. There's so many of them. I won't go through them all, but and let's see, electric pianos. So it's a beautiful sound here. And it's got a few. And leads. Nice square sounding lead. So let's see a few more. And organs, it also excels at making organ sounds, so and pads. And Polly's, yeah, pretty good at this too. And it has a few string sounds as well. So that'll do. It's got the same bottom up flow. So you've got synthesis parameters at the bottom here, either the FM engine, which is this grey area, or the 7-saw engine. So yeah, for the 7-saw you haven't got many parameters. You've got main side mix and detune spread, and whether the saws are random in their phase, so whether they start at 0 or they start part way through their wave. And then you've got the filter parameters on the right hand side with the filter controls, envelopes in the middle. Then you've got effects, which are saturation, chorus, delay and reverb, and then you've got polyphonic. So I can make sounds can be poly, mono, or they can be legato. So basically yeah. And then you've got the LFOs, and then you've got the destinations at the top. So each destination can have its own shape, wave shape, LFO shape, and basically the graphs are here. So you can see the individual modulation on each destination as it occurs in real time. So yeah, check it out.